Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one news that we're getting also about Microsoft Edge. So, when Microsoft Edge was the original Edge, which was its own browser, was scrapped, and Microsoft decided that they would base the new Microsoft Edge browser as a Chromium based browser. What a lot of users found interesting at the beginning was how it was uncluttered, fast. It didn't have, extra fluff to it that people don't use, and it actually was liked for some reason for some with some users for that reason, being a clean browser that's smooth, works fast, has not too many features. And of course, this went haywire because the Edge team just went and added and added and added features after features after features after features and after features. And of course, then incorporating the Copilot in the browser, and all of that just made some users go to another browser. And they decided, well, it was fun at the beginning, but unfortunately, like everything else, Microsoft messed it up, and now it's cluttered with too many things. Microsoft did say this week that they will work on simplifying Microsoft Edge and having it more of a simplistic Edge browser with a lot of features that will be removed. Unfortunately, I don't know exactly what they are doing with that, because one of the things they mentioned they wanted to remove is the sidebar that you can activate. And it turns out that the sidebar is actually one feature that some people use and find that it's nice because it's different from other browsers. So it's kind of a mixed bag. It seems that Microsoft might need to be careful into what it's removing and not. There are a few things that are removing. Some are going away. Like, for example, if you still have the collections feature showing up here, you'll see that it says collections is being retired. And it's part of the things that are to simplify Microsoft Edge. They will also apparently back off somewhat with Copilot within Edge. So we'll see where this brings Microsoft Edge in a few months. But right now, Microsoft Edge, unfortunately, really has way too many features and too many things that people don't use. That could be simplified. That is for sure. So hopefully, they'll make it better. Microsoft Edge is the second place in all the browsers, but it is extremely far from Google Chrome, which is still the big dominate of browser. With more than 70 users, 70%, if not more, users using Google Chrome. Definitely, I don't know what it's going to take to have a real competition, but could that bring Microsoft Edge a little higher? We'll see over time, as it's pretty much stuck now or somewhere at 12-13% market share and doesn't seem to be growing much. But we'll see. It would be nice to have an Edge browser that was clean and slim, like the first version of the browser on Chromium. But we'll see where they're going to go. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.